welcome to Universal Orlando and the first video on this channel for 2019, except for the review video, first new video. I'd like to thank my patrons for supporting me in 2018 and continuing in 2019. It's not too late if you want to sign up. And I'd like to thank everybody who subscribed, watched, liked, commented, and just in general supported me and my channel. And you'll maybe be noticing that the elf is gone from here. This is again the last day of full-on Christmas. Starting tonight after the park closes, there's going to be dismantling Christmas, getting ready for Mardi Gras. Again, third shift will be deflating these and removing these overnight. There was an elf until probably this morning, right here. Bad news if you like eating at Boulangerie. Took me a while to even learn the name. It will be closing starting tomorrow, January 7th, and it will remain closed for at least 5 months, I'm being told, and it's going to reopen as something else. We're not sure yet. It's a nice bakery, but it really needs some updating. I don't know if it really needs to be closed for 5 months. They could build half a theme park in that time, right? Universal fucking the Bay.
I don't know if you're just taking a picture for you.
Pretty rare to see Schwab's Pharmacy open, but there it is. If you're not aware, Schwab's Pharmacy is another place that serves ice cream and soda. Does not have the freestyle machine, but there is one very close by at Mel's. 1 cent for gum, not bad. As a reminder, the annual pass holder lounge is still open from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. until the end of January. As of February 1st, the plan is to close it, and I'm not sure what they're going to do after that, if they're going to build a permanent one. Seems like an experiment to me, but I don't know. They're still evaluating it, I believe. You know, here in Hollywood, you never know who you're going to run into. You can walk into a shop and suddenly see Popeye. It's just that kind of place.
Hello. How are you?
Doing pretty well.
Good.
Have your eye on anything in particular here?
No. I might get the glass jar for some spinach.
Ah, excellent choice, sir.
Yes.
Well, enjoy your day. I don't know when this Grinch Photo Op will be removed. It's been here since before Halloween Horror Nights ended. Over by Ben in Black, if you're hoping that the larger lockers would go back to free, sorry to tell you, it's not going to happen. The large lockers are going to be a premium regardless of how long you rent them for. Starting tomorrow, the area outside of Men in Black is going to go back to playing the old 90s pop music. Looking forward to it, actually. A few more things to show you over here in Universal Studios, and then we're over to Islands of Adventure to show you where the ride closures are going to be. Only one for right now. The holiday crowds have left Universal. Just as of just yesterday, it was still crowded. The crazy thing is, it's 60 minutes for Minion Mayhem and only 20 for Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket, which is usually the highest, 45 for Transformers, but only 15 minutes for the Hogwarts Express. So, I guess I'll take the Hogwarts Express over, and in a moment show you Islands of Adventure. Over here in New York, pretty soon this tree will be removed. And here in Battery Park, within about a month from now, these Santa hats will become jester hats for Mardi Gras. And of course, once the first parts of Mardi Gras are in the park, I'll be here to show you them. If you aren't aware, or if you forgot, there is a waffle stand, looks like a car, but in New York. Not sure if this is going to continue to be waffles on the stick after tonight. But the car itself has been here since the park opened. It is what has been served there has changed several times. Now let's go over to Islands of Adventure. Jurassic Park River Adventure will be closing tomorrow, January 7th, until I believe January 25th. If that is not the correct reopening date, I will put it in text in the bottom. This is just for their annual maintenance. And Popeye and Bluto's Bill barges will be closing either late January or February. When I find out those dates, I will let you know. I'm here at Camp Jurassic to try out a new video light, and I just found something else I didn't realize was here. It's a little place you can climb up. This is the light I'm going to be reviewing on my Mardi Gras channel. If you don't know about that channel, please check it out and subscribe. I'm only 11 subscribers away from 1,000. This is what the room looks like with the light. So let's go see where this goes. Let's go see where this goes. Let's see where this goes. Okay, this is clearly made for kids, but oh my gosh. Definitely not recommended for an adult with a backpack. Wow, there's a sprinkler head right here. I'm surprised no kid has run into that. That would be quite a mess and pretty scary. Wow, this actually keeps going up. No, no thanks. Way too small for me. This is not going to be a full review of this light. Just going to show you a few shots with it and then move on. Traditionally, it's been very difficult to shoot in here, even with a lens with a 1.8 aperture at 1.8. But here's what it looks like without the light, and here's the same area with the video light. One quick look with my kit lens, and it's dimmable. It's actually too much light. Actually, it lights this place up pretty nicely. I'm surprised. I'm impressed. Can actually go even brighter if I wanted to. That's with the light. That's without. I like exploring the caves here, but even I just got lost and I'm trying to find a way out. Ho is out for meet and greet photos here at Islands of Adventure. You might remember I showed you this before in the previous update, that they had replaced the digital sign because it had started glitching out really badly, and you can see it's shorter because there's a banner on each side. And look, it's already got issues. And here we go.
Hello.
Say hello. Okay, so I guess this is mostly Ozzy. So what are you looking forward to on your trip here?
Why?
Oh, what are you looking forward to?
Yes, absolutely. I love freaking Universal and Islands of Adventure. It's fan-freaking-tastic.
Just not going to show the Disney shirt.
Oh
no!
Star Wars, man. They shouldn't have bought that.
So Oz, what do you think about the Holly Parade?
The parade was awesome. It was more than what I expected, honestly. It was way more than what I expected. I was like, sure, I'll watch it if I want to watch it, or if I'm there, I'm not doing anything. But honestly, when it started, I was like, ooh. and the way they put it together, the choreography, the way they seamlessly came in and out of the choreography was awesome. The floats, I mean, it was a full-on parade. Parades, but it was amazing. It was amazing. It captured me. Everything was just so awesome. Guys, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit with a gift shop.